What's up dancers, this is Jam back with another hip hop dance tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the running man. In this video I'm going to break down the technique for you as well as show you some ways that you can get creative with this iconic move. Let's do it!
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Alright, so the running man is actually one of my favorite moves in hip hop. Besides just doing the move verbatim, there's actually a lot of ways that you can get creative and switch up this move. And it can open up a lot of pathways for you within your freestyle. So let's just jump straight into the technique of it first, and then later in the video we'll go over how to get creative, okay? So the first thing to remember when you're doing the running man is the focus of the body is going to be down into the ground. So we're utilizing a forward rock, and our emphasis is going to be down into the ground. So we're also going to be bouncing down every time we step, okay? All right, so I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me clearly. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to start on the right leg, and the right leg is going to go down, okay? So right leg just goes down, and this is going to be on the whole count, so on the 1. So we're going to go 1. At the same time this goes down, the back leg, which is my left leg right now, is going to slide back, okay? So I'm going to start on the and, so I'm prepped. This is and. As I push this down, this leg is going to slide back, just like this, okay? So as I push back, there is a little lift that I'm giving on this leg. It's kind of lifting up. At the same time, this is dropping down, okay? So it gives me that space to slide back, all right? So after we go down, this right leg, after it steps down, is going to slide back center, and then the other leg is going to come up like this, okay? So from here, I have my right leg up. I'm going to go down, slide. This is going to open up. Now this one's going to come center, and then this leg is up. Now I can repeat on the other side. As this goes down, it slides back. Then this goes center, and leg comes up. To go down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just like that. So one thing to note is the bounce. The bounce is really important in this step, and it's actually what helps me slide my feet back and forth, okay? So I'm turning to the side again. You'll see as I step, every step and every slide is gonna have a bounce into it, right? And what I'm doing is I'm bouncing down. So as I go down, boom, I have this right here. This bounce is going to help me as I come back up, right? So when I go down, I have this bounce in my legs, and this is going to prep to slide me back up. So as I do it with tempo, I have this bouncing motion just like this. Bounce, bounce. And you see, this is where I'm going down, down into the ground, right? My body is doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes down, 6, 7, right? So you see how they're together, okay? So now that we have our basic foundation down, I'm going to start showing you how to get creative with it, okay? And the first one is directional changes. So instead of just keeping your running man forward or the same direction, you can change the direction of where you're facing. You can also change the direction your feet are going to be placing and start opening up the movement in more of a 360 feel. So if I'm forward and I'm doing my running man here, I can open up to the side, come back in, open up to the other side, yeah? So now I have this side to side running man. And then I can go back to the front if I want. I can go side, 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 okay? So along with going from side to side, you could also take it in a circle. So I can change my focus completely and move it in a 360 degree. So if I'm here from the front, I can switch back, side, side, I can change different directions as I'm doing the same step, okay? So now we're really opening up the step. So it's time to play with front, from side to full 360, and getting creative with all of your space. Alright, so the last idea that I want to show you in this video within the running man and how to get creative with it is double ups. So along with changing direction and changing your focus, you can also double up or triple up the step to add more variation, okay? So as I'm hitting my running man, I can double my feet or triple my feet if I want. So I have singles here, double, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double, double. Okay, and that adds more rhythmic variation to the move. So along with adding doubles into the move, you can also add a pin and slide, okay? So what I mean by that is, if you hit your running man, you could pin the back leg and you could slide with this other leg here. So I could go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. And that also adds more rhythmic variation to the move rather than just doing it one by one. So utilize your directions, utilize your space, and also utilize rhythmic variations to really open up this move and get as creative with it as you can. If you want more in-depth dance training, then be sure to check out the membership that I have right here on YouTube. Within the membership, you'll get access to all the classes I have available, as well as video critiques for me to give you personalized advice to take your skills to the next level. If this video helped you, then be sure to leave me a like and drop me a comment, as well as subscribe if you like this kind of content, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.